You can paint any object with geometry textures with AutoModeler Pro Blender effortlessly. Select your object and click onto the Set as Painted Object button. Your selected texture is initially positioned using UV coordinates and instanced across the surface. Before you begin painting, click the Bake button to pre-bake the texture placement. This step ensures optimal performance during painting. Then, adjust the texture size with the UV scale parameter, and click the Paint with Object 1 button to start your creative process. You can use any kind of geometry to deform the surface, giving you endless possibilities to tailor the look and feel of your project.